But either way, that was what the question for the first eGov question came in, and then there were some interesting ones after that. Let's see. Let's go to clip 2.
Is from Sam Sweet at 18 Elizabeth Place, Eero, New Jersey. I emailed the following question to the mayor's office a week ago, and as of today, they were not answered. So I'm going to council for answers on the following questions. What is the township's official policy regarding ICE and the enforcement actions within the community? How does the township plan to address the potential for community disruption and fear related to ICE actions? What is the current relationship between the Gloucester Township Police Department and ICE? Are there any formal agreements or cooperative efforts? Has the township ever received requests from ICE for information about residents or to provide assistance in detaining individuals? What role, if any, do Gloucester Township Police play in ICE enforcement actions within the township? Chief, is that something you can address?
So, we follow the New Jersey Attorney General directive. I would refer them to the Immigrant Trust Directive. We have no agreement. We enforce criminal judicial warrants that are signed by a judicial officer, a judge, and we would assist with that. We do not assist with administrative warrants that are issued, and we don't go on enforcement action. We're barred from doing that in the state of New Jersey by the Attorney General and the Attorney General's directive. There's information on the gtpolice.com website on immigration, which will answer everything. Or you can go to the New Jersey Attorney General's website, look up the Immigrant Trust Directive, and we are in full compliance with that. Other than that, we don't do enforcement actions with ICE unless there's a criminal warrant for an arrest.
All right, so that's one of those questions that people have been asking online as I'm running for mayor. Yeah. And, when I talk about, I'm not getting into national politics stuff, ICE is one of those things that does actually touch our communities, locally to a degree here. The laws are all made beyond here.
You have no choice.
Right, we're enforcing things. So even this scenario here, the mayor refused to answer Sam Sweet. So when people claim, you won't answer, well, why is the mayor not held to the same standard? The mayor's not answering also. So just to put that on the record. Council also didn't answer. They deferred it to the police department, who deals with ICE and in those scenarios there. And the police chief said, look, there's the immigrant directive from the state of New Jersey, that's what they follow. They're in compliance, with all that stuff there. We protect people's constitutional rights at a local level. We're not going on administrative, warrants and things like that. And that's it. There's no other really answer to it. It's a state level directive that's out there, right? It's federal policies, and the mayor, it's not his call, of what goes on with anything.
I mean, you've seen states kind of go up against it, and then they're overruled federally. So at this level, at our level and township level, it doesn't matter what your opinion is. You have no choice.
Right, you don't have a choice in it.
So we see a lot of national politics questions. We always do. Every election that always comes up.
Right.
Everybody wants to know what you think about national politics. National politics are really complicated, and they're really polarizing too.
Yeah.
And they want you to answer. Basically, I think my thing is they want people to answer so that if they're like, well, I really like the mayor, right? The mayor's never going to get involved in this. I want to make you answer this so that you split your support in half.
Right. Yeah.
Right. Because no matter what it is, on a national level, it's like.
But it doesn't. I'll answer any question that pertains to the job that I'm running for.
Thank you for checking out that clip from the GT Observer podcast.
For our full episodes, make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube at Restore GLOTWP. Find us on Facebook.com/GT Observer and also on our website, GTObserver.com.
Thanks, folks. See you soon.